Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share with you the recipe of delicious apple turnovers with apple cinnamon filling in flaky puff pastry dough with some sugar glaze. For this recipe we will need 30 grams of powdered sugar, 30 grams of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of flour, 1 puff pastry sheet, half of the teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, 2 apples, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of butter, and of course the scales. Start by peeling and chopping your apples. In a pan, melt 1 tablespoon of butter over medium heat, add diced apples and cook for a few minutes. Reduce heat to low and stir in 30 grams of brown sugar, pinch of salt, half of the teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and cook for about 5 minutes until the apples release their juice and soften. Remove fillings from heat and set aside to cool. Meanwhile, roll your puff pastry and divide into 4 squares. Add the apple filling to half of the square, leaving about a half-inch border. Brush the edge with an egg wash, then fold in half. Crimp the edge together with fork, then cut slits on top and brush with egg wash. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes or until golden and puffed. While turnovers are still warm, stir together 30 grams of powdered sugar and 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream and drizzle the glaze over. And as easy as that, our apple turnovers are ready. Bon appetit!